In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Grok on X. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open up my web browser, go to the address bar at the top, and type in x.com/home to head straight to the X platform. Once the homepage fully loads and the feed appears, I'll navigate over to the left-hand menu sidebar. I'll scroll down just a bit and click on the More option with the three dots icon to reveal the advanced settings. This will bring up an extended menu panel, and from here, I'll select Settings and Privacy to open the configuration dashboard. Now that I'm inside the main settings menu, I'll look down the middle panel and click on Privacy and Safety. This will open up all the specific privacy settings and preferences on the right-hand side of the screen. I'll scroll down past my X activity sections, continuing all the way down until I find the Data Sharing and Personalization category. At the bottom of this section, I'll see the option for Grok and third-party collaborators. I'll click right on that to access the AI data management settings. In the Grok settings panel, you can see several permissions are turned on by default. To completely turn off Grok sharing, I'm going to start by clicking the checkmark next to allow your public data as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok and XAI to be used for training and fine-tuning. Unchecking this ensures my public data isn't used for AI training. Next, I'll click the checkmark for Allow X to personalize your experience with Grok to turn that personalization setting off as well. Finally, I'll click the last checkbox for Allow Grok to remember your conversation history to disable its memory and keep things fully locked down. And that's it. All the Grok sharing and training permissions are now successfully turned off on my account, giving you much better control over your personal data privacy on the platform. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.